How to replace the diverter on a 3-in-1 instant hot tap. Estimated time 30 minutes. Before we dive in, let's cover the essentials. Cover the sink with a cloth to prevent any tools or parts falling into the drain. For your safety, make sure the power to the instant hot tap is turned off and let the tank cool down. Ensure the water supply is shut off. This prevents any risk of electric shock or water damage while you work. You'll need a pair of pliers, a pair of long nose pliers, a 2mm hex key, this comes with part number 9.131016, and of course your replacement diverter, also part 9.131016. Start by using pliers to undo the pinch clip at the top of the heater tank. Gently pull the silicone tube off the nut. Carefully slide the silicone protector down the tube. No need to remove it completely, just enough to allow you to pull through some silicone tube. Now locate the grub screw at the back of the tap body. Use your 2mm Allen key to loosen and remove it. Pull the spout upward to detach it. Then remove the silicone tube from the bottom of the spout. Be careful, it can slip through the body of the tap if you're not watching. Unscrew the nozzle from the outlet end of the spout and set it aside. This exposes the aerator. Detach the silicone tube from the aerator. Using long nose pliers, pull out the diverter from the bottom of the spout. This will also pull out the silicone tube. Disconnect the silicone tube from the old diverter. Take the silicone tube you just removed and attach it to the new diverter. Feed the silicone tube, now connected to the new diverter, back into the spout from the bottom. Push it firmly into place. Use long nose pliers to pull the silicone tube through the spout, being careful not to damage the silicone tube. Attach it to the aerator. Then screw the nozzle back onto the spout. Remove the old plastic spider connector from the silicone tube if still attached, and connect the silicone tube to the new diverter. Align the hole on the C-clip at the base of the spout with the hole in the body. Push the spout back into the body and reinsert the grub screw to secure it. Slide the silicone protector back up the tube. This helps protect the silicone near the base of the tap. Push the silicone tube back onto the nut at the top of the tank. Use pliers to reattach the pinch clip and secure it. Double-check all your connections. Please note, there may be air in the system following a diverter change. We advise that you run the hot tap for approximately 1 minute to eliminate any air in the system. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the diverter on your instant hot tap.